I am just a farmer, just a man with dirty hands. Who would listen to me?
He thought he had nothing to offer. He was wrong. He had everything.
I have no money, no skills. What can I possibly offer?
You have these hands. These hands have fed this family for 20 years. They can build anything.
I cannot give money, but I can give my hands for as long as it takes.
You are building a legacy. Your grandchildren will say, "My grandfather built this with his hands."
The farmer who thought he had nothing built a factory with his hands.
This man gave more than anyone. Not money, but his hands, his sweat, his time. This factory is yours.
I thought I had nothing to give. I was wrong. I had my hands, and they were enough.
Whatever you have, give it. Your hands, your time, your heart. It will be enough. It is always enough.